Hello friends, and welcome back to How to Make It with Lily. I was shopping at Dollar Tree and the employees were already unboxing the Dollar Plus section of Christmas. So let's just jump into it and see what we have for this year. Look how beautiful this lantern is. It is a dual-sided print of a deer in a forest covered in white snow, and it has an LED light in there, so battery operated. Make sure you grab your batteries as well. But what a beautiful piece for $5. So let's see what else we can find. And here's a second option. This is a white lantern with an LED candle in there, dual-sided print again of a cardinal nestled in poinsettias. Just another wonderful piece to have for Christmas, and very unique, might I say. And just in case you do not have a fireplace at home, you can get a miniature fireplace for $5 at Dollar Tree. Now on to the next shelf, we have a bunch of gnomes. These were decently sized, very nice. You have a great variety of options of the different designs to choose from. So this one is like an elf, very cute in the red and green. And then we have a Santa gnome, very cute. Another elf, kind of like a candy cane, I would say. This one has the white, red, and green. And down here, I was just awed by this sign. The Farm Fresh Christmas trees cut and carry really caught my eye. This was such a beautiful find for $5. Huge sign, gorgeous piece, great design. I also like the fa la 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 with the gnome. Very nice, especially if you have a candy cane theme going on. But let's see what else we have here. So we have a flannel pattern and it says welcome. So cute. I cannot wait for Christmas. I love Christmas. Of all the holidays, I love to decorate for Christmas and Halloween the most. Welcome to our home. Very cute with a wreath. You can actually DIY the wreath and add an actual miniature wreath. This one we saw. Let's see what else we have here. I didn't see anything different than what we already did. And then we have the doors back again. This time we have a pick of white, black, green, and red with different signage. And down below we have a pick of different designs of standing gnomes. These were very decently sized for $5, so worth it. And then we have your traditional wooden nutcrackers of different variations and designs. I thought the snowman was a very unique touch for the nutcracker type piece, but look how beautiful these are. Very decently sized again for $5. And then we have these wonderful milk jugs to choose from for your decor pieces. You know, these are so easy to do, where you can DIY with a few pine tree branches in here, some pine cones, tie a bow if you like, and you have an easy decor piece for your home. These deers were also a wonderful find. Decently sized again. There's so much you can do with these. You can DIY for bigger pieces, or you can just leave it as is for a decor piece of its own. And here we have a vintage van piece, very cute, made of metal. Next are the candle holders. These were exceptional pieces, especially for Dollar Tree. You can definitely see how Dollar Tree is really upping their game and their standards of quality and design and color choices. The candy cane print is nice, and then we have a Star of Bethlehem design, which is silver. Very nicely done. Again, the quality is superb. They do have some weight to them, which I love. And then you have the bush with the little berries, and then the gold Christmas tree. Wow, these are gonna fly off the shelf very quickly. And over here we have some fragrance warmers. Again, wonderful options. I love the fact that Dollar Tree is now bringing more options to choose from versus a couple of design options, and that's it. So it's wonderfully done. These gift boxes are so gorgeous. Again, more options to choose from. Dollar Tree, if you're watching this, kudos to you. you are really making it accessible to a lot of people with these items. Comment down below and let me know what you like to use these gift boxes for. Is it more for decor pieces, or do you actually make something out of them or do anything inside of them? I'm very interested to know. I would really love to try to do like shoebox diagrams in these boxes. Do y'all remember that from elementary school? Did you make the shoebox diagrams? Thumbs up down below in the comments if you did, because I loved it. It brought up so much creativity. Now over here we have the full fur stockings. Again, wonderful options. We have the white, kind of like an off-white, almost a cream color, the gray, and the red. So beautiful. And if you're looking to get more of the thrill of what's to come for Christmas at Dollar Tree, head on over to dollartree.com. You can go ahead and tap the menu button on the left hand side and select Christmas items. They have just released the items they're going to have primarily on their website for this year as well. From craft supplies to additional DIY ideas, you can find those items on their website. Well friends, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with a family or a friend. Subscribe if you haven't already. It's free. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you can get updated information in regards to my uploads. All these actions will help to support the growth of the channel. My goal for this channel is to bring you a variety of content. So if you're looking for DIYs, shop with me's, cooking, baking is soon to come, inspirational and motivational quotes, head on over to my playlist and you will find those categories. Don't forget again to subscribe for more, and I will see you back soon. Thanks for watching.